Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Beauty Big Bang XL039 swatches. It came in a beautiful little envelope as always. I'm going to peel off this blue film here and clean this plate, and we're going to jump right in on some swatching today. I always clean my plates with a pure acetone and a cotton ball, and then I wipe it over with a paper towel. So we're going to get on into it. Today I am using Funky Fingers Gesso and Funky Fingers Dark Night for stamping. They are not stamping polishes, but they work great, so I'm going to use them. I have out some nail tips from when I swatched polishes or played with things, and I just recycle them, so I'm not really sure what any of these are, except for the fact that they're getting recycled. So I missed one of these on video, but you will see it at the end when I show the swatches. I do like a live, excuse me, a live video footage scrolling through them, and then a swatch photo of all of them together. I really like that leaf image, that like chewed up leaf. It's like the bugs have gotten a hold of it and ate all the leaf parts of it. And I missed a part over on the side, so I am gonna, off camera, of course, go in and fix that. There we go. But I really love these plates. I'm a big fan of Beauty Big Bang products in general, but their stamping plates for me are the stars of the show. They are always etched so well, and I approve of that big time. I don't want a plate that I've got to fight with, trying all the different stampers and polishes and scrapers and directions. I like something that's just easy to use. And this one has a lot of really cool images, and it's easy to use. Winner, winner. I love this image right here. It's going over a beautiful polish, but oh, look how it peeks out at the top and the bottom. So cute. So here we go. I'm going to go in with this last one real quick. I'm running low on my Dark Night here, but we're going to get through this. There we go. Loving it. So that is my swatches today. Here are the up-close shots of everything. I just love playing with these, and I hope you enjoyed the swatches. I know a lot of people don't want to see swatch videos, and I apologize, because I do have a lot of people that really want me doing these, so I do try to do them when I can have the time. So let me know if you enjoyed this plate, and if you liked it, if there's anything you want to see specifically. And I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.